Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 30th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. So in this, all the questions are from obituaries. Aeronautical scientist Manas Vihari Verma, who passed away, played a vital role in development of which aircraft. Former Union Minister Ajit Singh, who passed away, was the founder of which political party? Vansraj Bhatia, who passed away, was a renowned who? V. Kalyanam, who passed away, was the former personal secretary to whom? V. M.K. Kaushik and Ravindra Pal Singh, who passed away, was associated with which sport? All the five questions are from obituaries. Which country has passed a legislation to allow the screening of future region investment owing to security concern? Pradeep Kumar Yadav. There is another name, Pradeep Kumar Rawat. He is India's ambassador to which country? He is also an India's ambassador to which country? So, Pradeep Kumar Yadav appointed as next ambassador of India to which country? Recently, US Space Agency NASA has announced to send first mobile robot to moon. What is the name of this robot? And this they are going to send 2023 sorry. Which organization has proposed 50 billion global vaccination plan to that would cover at least 40% of the global population by the end of 2021? FIFA 2022 FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup to be held in which country? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. Aeronautical scientist Manas Bihari Verma, who passed away, is a Tejas aircraft, developed Tejas aircraft. Ajit Singh was the founder of Rashtriya Lokdal. Vansraj Bhatia was a renowned music composer. V. Kalyanam was the personal secretary to Mahatma Gandhi. M.K. Kaushik and Ravindra Pal Singh associated with hockey. Which country has passed a legislation? So this is Denmark. India has a proper ambassador to Denmark, and the name is Pooja Kapoor. So, Pradeep Kumar Yadav is India's ambassador to Liberia. Pradeep Kumar Rawat is India's ambassador to Netherlands. You should remember both the names. US, what is the name of the robot? Robot name is Viper. Viper, Viper. And who is the administrator of NASA? Bill Nelson. And which organization have posted 50 billion? This is IMF, International Monetary Fund, which is based in Washington DC, and World Bank is also based in Washington. 2022 FIFA Under will be held in India. So let's discuss our today's current affairs, 30th of June. Parasala B. Poonamwala passed away recently, was associated with which sport, which field? So this is singer. So she was a music composer from Kerala. So you should remember the name. She was a singer. Hemis festival is celebrated in which state or union territory? Hemis National Park is the highest national park. Is the highest national park of India, which is situated in Ladakh. And now the Hemis festival is also celebrated in Ladakh. And who is the governor of Ladakh? R.K. Mathur. When do we observe National Insurance Awareness Day? So this day is observed on 28th of June. 28th of June we observe as National Insurance Day, just to create awareness about the importance of insurance and to encourage the people to review their insurance. So, and remember one more insurance company, that is LIC. LIC chairman is MR Kumar. Which ministry has launched a website for Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan? So this is Social Justice Empowerment Minister. Social Justice Empowerment Minister has launched Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan, and he has also launched Sage portal also for senior elderly persons. Social Justice Empowerment Minister has launched a portal named Sage, and Social Justice Empowerment Minister has launched 14 cross disability early investment centers. 14 cross disability early investment cable centers. So remember about Thawarchand Gehlot. And recently, one more latest, he has inaugurated the hostel building. Where? In Secunderabad. Who has been reappointed as Attorney General of India. So KK Venugopal has got the 1 year extension. And he has been again reappointed as the Attorney General of India. Which international airport has won the Airport Council International ACI Airport Council International Role of Excellence in Airport Service Quality? ACI is Airport Service Quality. And here we are talking about the Cochin Airport. So Cochin Airport has won the Airport Council International. And who is the chairman of airport? Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar is the airport chairman. And if you talk about airport, Bangalore Airport was in news. It has achieved a net energy neutral status. Net energy neutral status recently. In the last question, I will tell you some of the appointments recently. Who is the Central Vigilance Commissioner? Recently he has been appointed, very latest, Suresh Patel. His name is Suresh Patel. And Allahabad High Court, if you remember, 2 days before I told you, Allahabad High Court. His name is Munishwar Nath Bhandari. MN Bhandari, Munishwar Nath Bhandari. And there is National Investment of Mental Health Neuroscience, NIMHNS, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience. The chairman is Pratima Murthy, Dr. Pratima Murthy. And remember the name Ashok Kumar. He is India's ambassador to Zambia. And Zambia's former president also passed away. I am not able to recognize the name. Zambia's former president has passed away. You should remember the Ashok Kumar is India's ambassador to Zambia. OnePlus ambassador, Jasprit Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 appointments recently with of 4 months. For 4 days they have recently appointed. Which metro has won the Japan Society of Civil Engineering Award for the year 2020? So we are talking about the Delhi Metro. So Delhi Metro has won the Japan Society of Civil Engineering Award, and it has won the Outstanding Civil Engineering Achievement for the year 2020. World Bank has approved 1860 crore loan to which state for the implementation of SALT program? What is this SALT program? This is supporting Andhra, supporting Andhra's learning transformation. This is the program of education to Andhra Pradesh. Who is the chief minister? Jagmohan Reddy, and his father, late Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy's birth anniversary has been observed recently on 8th of July. And if you talk about Andhra Pradesh, recently they have no, not recently. They have Nadu Nedu scheme. This scheme is of Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana also has achieved it. And Jagananna Thodu scheme is for small vendors. This scheme is for the small vendors. Andhra Pradesh government has signed an MOU with Microsoft to train 1.62 lakh youth for their skill development. And there is one airport named Kurnool Airport, renamed to U. Narasimha Reddy. And India's first government-run ambulance network for animals is by Andhra Pradesh. So remember all these points about Andhra Pradesh. And if you talk about World Bank has given a loan of $32 million to for Mizoram. World Bank and AIIB both have given $300 million to Punjab, and World Bank has given $68 million to Nagaland, and World Bank has given $500 million for India's MSME sector. And who is the president of World Bank? David Malpass. And World Bank will release a report named World Development Report 2021. World Development Report 2021. So you should remember about the World Bank, these points. NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation. Who is the chairman? Gurdeep Singh. Very, very important. A Maharatan company of India. Gurdeep Singh is the chairman of NTPC. Has set a target to install 60 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity by which year? So this is 2032. Remember this, the year 2032. They have set a target to achieve 60 gigawatt of renewable energy by 2032. Government has extended the FAME scheme, faster adaptation and manufacturing electric vehicles. This is of electric vehicles by which year? This is of by 2024. By 2024, government will so till 2024, government has extended the FAME scheme. It means they have extended for 3 years. Exotic dragon fruit, which is known as kamalam. Earlier, this dragon fruit is also known as kamalam, from Maharashtra, exported to which country? And this kamalam fruit has been exported to Dubai. Mainly this fruit kamalam will grow in Odisha, Karnataka, Kerala, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and West Bengal. And one more, Andaman also. In these many states, this fruit, dragon fruit, which is known as kamalam, will grow in these particular states. When do we observe? And if it kamalam, this dragon fruit renamed to kamalam last year by Gujarat government. Gujarat government has renamed dragon fruit to kamalam. When do we observe the National Statistic Day? National Statistic Day we observe just to commemorate the birth anniversary of late Professor P.C. Mahalanobis. And the day is 29th of June. 29th of June is observed as National Statistics Day 2021. President Kovind laid the foundation stone of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Cultural Center in which city of Uttar Pradesh? So this has been This foundation has been stored in Lucknow, not in Gorakhpur, in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, in Lucknow. And if you talk about foundation stone, President has laid the foundation stone in Madhya Pradesh also. The name is, I'm not able to remember. In Madhya Pradesh is also one is there. Okay, so these were the current affairs of 30th of June. See you on the next month, that is 1st of July, which is the foundation day of State Bank of India.